Hi boys, welcome to the video. How to fix error in Apex Legends. Let's go. Control panel. Select network and internet option. Select center network and sharing. Okay, click here. Let's go change adapter settings. Click. Select connection. Click and right. Click right and select properties options. Select internet version 4. Select properties options. Select 4 options. And using alright. And select this option. Right number 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 no sorry 1 0 0 1 and select this option and accept option. Okay, restart PC. Error solved. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye boys.